Bryan was our sales consultant that we met with from Centra. He came out, he gave an excellent presentation to the council. He also then came out to one of our meetings that we held with the residents, showed the benefits of the Centra Windows, explained how they worked, how the installation, how the warranty. Bryan he was amazing. He was there right from the beginning to the end, and it was a long journey from the beginning to educating that we need to replace to actually getting the project finished. So a big thank you to Bryan for his endurance. We didn't have to go to each of the homeowners. Centra did that for us. And then they also gave each homeowner a list if there was any deficiencies and told them when they would be back to make any corrections. So from beginning to end, it went very, very smoothly.